Hey there, fellow creators and tech enthusiasts. Today, I want to dive into a super exciting development in the world of AI and coding. Get ready for a game changer. Google AI Studio has just unveiled a revolutionary upgrade, introducing a full-stack vibe coding experience that's going to blow your mind. Imagine building real-world apps with AI assistants, all within the same platform. It's like having a super smart coding buddy who understands your vision and brings it to life. The star of the show is the new Antigravity coding agent. This AI wizardry takes your prompts and turns them into fully functional, modern web applications. From multiplayer games to collaborative tools, this agent does it all. And the best part? You don't need to leave the vibe coding environment. It's a one-stop shop for app development, making the journey from idea to production a breeze. But wait, there's more. Google AI Studio has integrated Firebase, a powerful backend system. This means your apps get secure storage, user authentication, and the ability to connect to real-world services. It's like adding a supercharger to your coding engine. Let's dive deeper. With the new updates, you can create real-time multiplayer experiences, add databases and authentication with ease, and even connect to services like Google Maps or payment processors. The agent automatically handles the heavy lifting, ensuring your app is production-ready. One thing that immediately stands out to me is the agent's ability to maintain a deep understanding of your project. It remembers your chat history and project structure, allowing for faster iterations and more precise code edits. It's like having an AI project manager who knows your code inside out. In my opinion, this upgrade is a massive leap forward for developers. It streamlines the app building process, making it more accessible and efficient. And with the support for modern web tools and frameworks like Next.js, the possibilities are endless. If you take a step back and think about it, this new experience in Google AI Studio is a glimpse into the future of coding. It's a powerful tool that empowers developers to create complex apps with simpler prompts. It's an AI-assisted revolution, and I, for one, am excited to see where it takes us. So, are you ready to give it a spin? Head over to Google AI Studio and try out the new Vibe coding experience. Who knows, you might just build the next big thing. Until next time, keep coding, keep creating, and stay curious. Closing shot of the Google AI Studio logo with a vibrant, futuristic animation,